Hey guys, sorry I cannot be there for class today. I have a doctor's appointment today. I'm having some problems with my knee, so hopefully I will get an MRI and the doctor will tell me what's wrong. But I wanted to go over what you guys are going to do in class today. So you are going to have a substitute, and you will see a folder that is available to you down here called Subplans for 10/8/2020. And in here, your substitute is going to take attendance, and then you're going to watch two video clips. One is called the Meet Your Emotions. This is a video clip from the movie Inside Out. Last week we talked a lot about emotions and stress and social and emotional wellness. So this is really cute video here about your emotions. And then you're going to watch this clip here called Emotion, Stress, and Health, a crash course. Um, this week, instead of introducing new material, it has been brought to our attention that you guys are a little stressed and a little overwhelmed with everything that's going on with school and everything. So we're going to kind of halt a little bit, to hit the brakes a little bit, if you will, and we are going to step back and kind of review some of the stuff we talked about last week. And then we're also going to give you guys plenty of time this week to work on our missing work. So after you watch these two videos, you are going to click on the missing work quiz, and you are going to answer two questions. Question number one is you are going to click on the grade book. You should have access to a grade book somewhere in Schoology. I'm not sure what it looks like on your half, but you're going to click on the grade book and you're going to look and see what you are missing. If you are missing anything, you are going to click the answer yes to question number one. And then you're going to tell me everything that you're missing from this class. All right, just this class. I don't need to know what you're missing from all your other classes. If you do not have anything missing from this class, you are just going to click no, and then you're just not going to answer question number two because it's not really a big deal. You're not missing anything. Now, if you see some stuff that you are missing that is due next Monday, that's because it hasn't really been assigned yet. So I don't need you to worry about that. I want you to look at anything that was missing from yesterday all the way back to the first day of school. And if you're missing stuff after these two videos have gone over, your substitute is going to allow you plenty of time to work on any of those missing assignments. Now, the hope is that you'll have all those missing assignments completed by Monday, by the end of Monday, okay? I want to make sure that we are all caught up, you guys are all ready to go before we start our next lesson on the FIT principle and intensity. So this day is mostly focused on completing our missing work, and when you're done with that, if you are done with all your missing work or if you don't have any missing work, you have one main objective. You need to get away from the computer, you need to de-stress yourself, and you need to go outside and work out. Your workout needs to be a run, a walk, a bike ride, something outside to get you active and moving. And this workout needs to be between 30 and 60 minutes long, depending on how much time you have. Now, if you have missing work, your main objective is to finish all that missing work before you get outside and play. All right, so make sure you take time for yourself today. Do a workout. If you would like to do a workout inside and to couple and go along with our emotions and our stress and our emotional lesson that we learned last week, I would love for you to watch the movie Inside Out. It is a great movie, and we're going to talk a little bit about it on Friday. So if you'd like to, go ahead and watch that movie because it's a great movie about your emotions and all the different emotions you feel. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me via email. I will have access to my email, and I will be back for class on Friday. So I hope everyone has a great Thursday. Make sure you do these three things and have a great day. See you guys tomorrow.